Hey everyone, I'm Alex. And if you make long videos, podcasts, interviews, live streams, tutorials, you already know the grind. Record an hour of gold, then spend days chopping it up, hunting for highlights, formatting for TikTok Reels, YouTube Shorts, adding captions, and manually scheduling posts. It's exhausting and honestly not the best use of your creative energy. Vizard solves most of that headache by doing the heavy lifting. It finds the viral moments for you, cuts them into clip-ready pieces, schedules them automatically, and keeps everything organized in one content calendar. Creators who treat long-form content as a content factory win. Instead of one upload every week, you can spin multiple micro-posts that keep your audience engaged and grow your reach. And because Vizard automates the boring parts, you actually have time to make more long-form episodes. So let's jump into how it works, step by step. And I'll sprinkle in tips so your clips actually perform. Start by dropping your full-length recording into Vizard. It accepts most file types and resolutions, so whether it's a Zoom meeting, a DSLR recorded tutorial, or a multicam podcast export, Vizard will ingest it. Pro tip: upload the highest quality you have. The auto edits look better and captions are more accurate when the audio is clean. This is the magic. Vizard analyzes your footage and picks out moments with high engagement potential. Things like laugh lines, strong opinions, surprising facts, and emotional beats. It's not just random cuts. It looks at pacing, audio intensity, and speech patterns to surface clips that are already likely to hook viewers. You can choose different strategies. Viral first, short, high-impact clips. Contextual, clips that keep a mini narrative, or highlights, longer scenes that preserve context. Based on your goal, fast growth versus depth, pick the mode and let Vizard scan the file. Unlike doing everything manually, you don't have to polish every single clip. Vizard gives you a list of suggested clips with thumbnails, captions, and suggested aspect ratios. You can preview them quickly, delete duds, merge adjacent clips, or adjust in-out points with simple sliders. It's fast because the system already narrows the signal-to-noise ratio for you. Tips: shorten clips to the sweet spot for each platform, 15 to 45 seconds for most short-form apps, and keep hooks in the first 2 to 3 seconds. Vizard suggestions often catch these naturally, but a tiny trim can make a huge difference. Choose square, vertical, or cinematic presets, and Vizard will reframe the footage, face tracking, smart crops, and generate captions. You can also apply a brand kit, logo, colors, fonts, so every clip feels consistent without you messing with motion graphics. This is where Vizard saves hours. Instead of exporting multiple versions and running them through another app for captions, you have ready-to-post assets in a few clicks. Here's the part most tools don't do. You tell Vizard how often you want new posts, for example, 3 clips per week. Pick time windows and the AI will schedule which clips go out when. It spreads clips across days and platforms to avoid burnout of similar content, optimizes timing based on your historical posting window, if connected, and spaces things to maximize exposure. This is huge for creators who want consistent presence but don't want to spend hours in scheduling interfaces. Vizard's content calendar is where your entire pipeline lives. It shows scheduled posts, drafts, and published clips. Want to move a clip? Drag it to another date. Need to swap captions or add a specific CTA for a platform? Edit in line. Want to preview how your week will look across Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube? The calendar gives you that bird's eye view, so you can balance topics and avoid repeating the same hook twice in a row. Auto-editing without scheduling is half a solution, and powerful scheduling without good clips is useless. Vizard joins the two, picks the viral moments, packages them for each platform, and posts them on a schedule you control. That means less context switching for you and a more steady stream of content feeding your audience growth. Here's a workflow I actually use. It's practical and replicable. 1. Upload a long video, 60-120 minutes podcast episode. 2. Choose viral first scan. 3. Do a quick 10-minute sweep. Delete obvious fails. Merge 2 short hits into 1 stronger clip. Trim intro noise. 4. Apply vertical and square presets. Toggle captions and apply brand kit. 5. Set auto schedule. 4 clips week across platforms, with higher value clips reserved for YouTube Shorts and the rest for TikTok/IG. 6. Check the content calendar to ensure topic variety. Hit publish schedule and go make the next long video. In a week, you'll have consistent clips feeding your audience, and over a month, you'll have dozens of optimized microposts without the usual editing backlog. Let's be honest, there are a ton of options out there, and some are great in their niches, but they aren't one size fits all. Synthesia. Amazing if your whole goal is generating AI avatar videos. But if you already record a real host podcast or long interview, Synthesia doesn't help you chop that up into clips or schedule them. Plus, avatar platforms can get pricey and feel less authentic for some audiences. Descript, brilliant for transcription-led editing and a great tool for creators who love manual control. It's excellent for polishing an episode, but it doesn't automatically generate a batch of viral-ready clips and schedule them across socials the way Vizard does. If you want automation and calendar management, Vizard saves you extra steps. CapCut, InShot, mobile editors, free and powerful for single-clip polish, but they're manual and each clip takes time. If you're trying to scale output from long-form content, clicking through a dozen apps every week becomes a bottleneck. Vizard's sweet spot is creators who have long-form content and want volume plus consistency without hiring an editor. It's not trying to replace every single tool, it replaces the repetitive grinding part of repurposing. Podcasters who want daily social clips without hiring a team. Coaches and educators who record long lessons and need highlights for funnels. Streamers who want best of clips turned into short-form content fast. Small teams that need the simple calendar and automation to maintain growth. Record with clear audio. Vizard's speech detection works best with clean audio. Keep some strong standalone moments in each episode. Punchy opinions, short stories, or surprising stats. Tell your guests to be concise sometimes. It gives Vizard better bite-sized moments. Use chapter markers if you plan to preserve context. Vizard can use them as cues. Experiment with different lengths. Not every clip needs to be 30 seconds. Test 15 as hooks, 40s explainers, and 60s mini-stories. One of the fears creators have is that automating will make content feel mass-produced. Counterintuitively, consistent branding, same fonts, colors, caption style, makes your channel feel professional and recognizable, while the variety in hooks keeps it human. Vizard helps you maintain the look without killing authenticity, and you still get to pick the clips that best represent your voice. If you do create avatar-generated videos, say you used Synthesia for a few episodes, Vizard still helps. You can upload those avatar episodes and let Vizard turn them into clips, captions included. The system is format agnostic. Scaling content doesn't have to mean selling out or churning low-effort posts. The smarter move is to use your long-form work as the source of truth, then let a tool like Vizard extract, polish, and schedule the pieces that build momentum for you. You keep control of the voice and creative direction. You just offload the tedious, repetitive editing and calendaring. If you want to test it, start with one episode and let Vizard generate a batch of clips. Tweak a few, schedule them for the next 2 weeks, and compare engagement versus a manually created clip. In my experience, the time saved alone is worth it, and the reach uptick is often noticeable. Alright? If you're ready to stop spending hours cutting the same video and start publishing consistently without the burnout, give this workflow a shot. And if you want, I can walk you through a sample upload and schedule configuration next. Walk you through my exact settings so you're not guessing. Sound good?